Hello friends, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice emoji. You can see the basic outline here. Now we're going to make it a darker one. So let's use the marker and draw the bold icons which are used to demonstrate the feelings. Okay, for the eye, let's draw it with pencils. All right. So you can see the bold outlines for the whole body inside the circle. Now we are going to make it a deep and bold black color, and I'm going for the other part, the left side. So we have filled up the whole things. All right, now we are going to put a nice color which is, let's see, purple. Okay, let's put the color for the eye. Nice color, you can see. All right, and another one, I'm going to color the left side, as you can see, putting the shades. Okay, now if you like, you can put the marker and make the color tone clearly visible. You can see I'm putting the color here. All right, so I'm going to outline the whole surface. This is going to be a nice and uniform color, as you can see. So the drawing is going to be nice. The progress is fine. You can see I'm putting the whole shades around the eyeball. Okay, as you see, I'm going to fill up the whole body inside this bigger circle. This is going to be a very uniform color. The color you can see here looks nice. All right, so this looks good. You have seen all the procedures. You can do practice at home. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.